Hello, my friend, and welcome to this 10 minutes of Reiki, just to slow down, to reset, and to remove any anxiety that might be arising in us in this present moment. If you are new to Calm with Charlotte, welcome to my page, and I invite you to support this channel by subscribing, sharing this video with anyone that you feel called to share it with, who you may feel benefits from this 10-minute reset. And if you are returning to my page, I welcome you back. To all of you, I am so grateful for you being here. I'm so grateful to be able to share this Reiki with you in this way. So let's begin. Just get really comfortable, really cozy. This is your moment. This is your time to be still, to receive. So many of us find it so difficult to receive. We are giving so much of ourselves to everyone all the time. So really allow yourself the space, the vortex, the openness to receive all of this. And when you're nice and comfortable, gently close your eyes. I invite you just to place your hands on your heart for a moment. Take a nice deep breath into that space. And say yes. Say yes to receiving this Reiki. Say yes to receiving this energy activation and healing. Just really tune into that as I begin to channel this Reiki energy. And you may wish to keep your hands placed gently on your heart space, or if not, just rest them gently beside you. And just begin to allow your heart to really open, allowing this healing energy to come through. Allowing this pure divine love to come deeply into your being. We so often forget about ourselves. We make ourselves the lesser priority. And it can be quite difficult to receive. So if you feel any anxiety or any reluctance coming through at this time, just breathe into it. Gently tell yourself, it's safe, it's okay for me to receive. I am worthy of receiving. Just repeat that affirmation, I am worthy of receiving. And again, even if that feels uncomfortable, just keep really breathing in and continue repeating that mantra, I am worthy of receiving. I am worthy of receiving. Just really let that land deeply into your core, into your soul essence. And as that lands, just allow the Reiki energy to recalibrate that new mantra into your existence, into your being. And as that begins to land, allow it to expand out of your body and into your aura. Changing the entire frequency of your existence into receiver mode. It's really allowing yourself to upgrade, being open to this new experience, this new channeled frequency and energy coming through. White light swirling throughout your entire being. And as it swirls, it integrates completely into your essence, smoothing out any wrinkles, breaking down any resistance, allowing it to all absorb and integrate into one smooth, beautiful flow of divine energy. Glistening sparkles of light flooding through you. Divine essence allowing you to feel so special, so loved, so appreciated, so held. To really absorb all that energy. Feels so good. A new sense of power beginning to arise within you. Fresh new energy occurring. Really sense that upgrade. Really feel it fully in your system. And now the swirling energy is beginning to slow down. Gold light coming through, solidifying everything in its place. You are fully absorbed and held, cocooned in this divine golden glistening light. So, so beautiful. Just take one final deep breath in, just really allowing this all to land deeply into your system, into your auric field, fully into every aspect of your being. Thank the Reiki for this divine healing, this upgrade. Thank yourself for showing up here and for allowing yourself to integrate this new energy, for putting yourself first, for receiving. Thank yourself. Thank yourself so, so much. You may want to wrap your arms around you, giving yourself a big squeeze. Just feeling that self-love and self-appreciation. And I thank you for joining me here.